To start off this project, I chose to develop this web around cells. The first major thought from the cell was its phospholipid bilayer, which in turn turned into phospholipids. From there, it separated into two routes, either phosphate or lipids. So from lipids, we went to all of these. Back up into the phosphates, which then end into sugars, carbohydrates, polysaccharides, and monosaccharides. Now back to lipids, we focus on their interaction with water, and water played a very big role in creating this web. It was one of the biggest, branches you could say. Water and how it's measured. To what creates water, hydrogen and oxygen. From it becoming an element to becoming an atom, how the atom is weighed and its properties. To the center of the atom, which is the nucleus, and all of its protons, neutrons, electrons, and how some of those particles react. Back up to water, and what occurs using water, such as redox reactions. The components of the redox reactions, such as acids, bases, and salts, which are the outcomes. How salts are formed, and what are products of this reaction, such as electron donors, electron acceptors, electrons that are received and that are lost. So sodium is used along with chloride to form salt. They are both cations and anions. Back to the cell. This is how I chose to create my web. I thought a piece of paper would be nice, but this was more of a visual aspect that could be followed easier, I believe.